Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to have a three-dimensional line plot. Here is my example. You see that here we are having a line plot that is three-dimensional. So in order to do that, we are having the line space being generated between 0 and 10. So we're generating our data for the variable t between 0 and 10, and we are having 100 points. Okay. Then my first function is the sine of t, and my second function is the cosine of t. Then we are having the we are having the z-axis equal to t. So the z-axis represent the time progression. Okay, so this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. It's a representation of time. Then we are going to plot our line plot. So I use the plot. X, y, and z are the variables that we want to include, x, y, and z. Then we are having color equal to blue, and we are having the line width equal to 2. And here we are telling the compiler saying that we are looking for a three-dimensional figure. And at the end, we are labeling the axis and the title of the figure. So when I run the code, you see that we are having a nice 3D line plots. But we are having 100 points that are being generated between 0 and 10. So it can help to have a smooth shape here. But instead of 100, if I have, for example, 10 numbers only, you see that the figure is not that smooth. It has the edges that is sharp, okay? But the more that you increase this number, the smoother the figure will become. So you see that it's now a bit smoother than if I have 40, for example. It's a bit smoother. There are some still sharp parts we see here and there. But with the 50, let me test. So with the 50, it's almost smooth, but we can have, for example, 100 to make sure that it's really smooth. So when I run, we see that it's really smooth and we don't have any sharp edges here. So in this video, we learned how we can create a three-dimensional line plot. Thank you for watching.